Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to take a look at the RMG governance dashboard present within the report section of KEBS. Once the user has navigated to the reports application, he or she can navigate to the RMG governance dashboard by simply typing in the keywords in the search bar and clicking on the RMG governance dashboard from the result displayed. The user can also pin the report for ease of access. Once clicked, the RMG governance dashboard is displayed. Here, the total hours which are available throughout the organization for each employee is showed via various bar graphs and pie charts split under available hours, allocated hours, planned, logged, the actual billing and actual planned hours. These data are fetched from projects application. Also, table data indicating the hours spent for each customer, for each project, each item within the project, and also the hours spent by each employee based on various projects are displayed. The widgets denote about the information that is present within the table. Also, any data which is present within this chart can be exported and downloaded as a report by clicking on the export data option. Finally, in the monthly hours overview, the total hours are split up for the particular month and displayed based on the specified categories. Finally, there are various buckets that are present on top of this chart, which on clicking can view the various data based upon the criteria that is displayed here. For example, this table shows the low billing personas where the allocated hours is actually greater than the actual billing hours. Filters can be applied in order to manipulate the chart data that is displayed through this dashboard. Thank you for watching.